Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 18. The Niche Site Model for Amazon Affiliate Blog. In this video, we will take a look at the niche site model for Amazon Affiliate Blog, step by step. So let's get started. Let's go to Google, and here you need to search for physical product review. Now replace physical product with your actual product name and search for it. So you get all the related results. Let's open the link of your choice. So here you can see all the details about the product with specifications. Here we have tabs like articles, BBR guides, and reviews by brand, use and interests, price, and feature search. Next is your BBR guide. On left panel, you also have many guides options. Let's select the latest one. So here you can see its full guide, and then you have the best binoculars 2021 list by use or niche. On right side, you have ads as well. On top, we have Where to Buy tab, click on it. And here we can see buying site is Amazon. So this shop at Amazon.com for binoculars is their affiliate link. Below we have more links for different binoculars. Back on Google, let's search for golf ball review. From results, again open a few links. Here, again you can see details with ad content. They also have this most wanted tab where they promote their affiliate products. So this is another site, and here also we have free golf ball fitting full guide. And this is a list of golf related articles, open one. So this is the full article, and a little below, we have this click here button where they have inserted their affiliate link. Scroll below and we have options like custom lesson and view list, click on it. Back here, you can see on the right side, we have related ad offers. On the next site, again we have a little detail, and below they have a list of products with prices and ratings to choose from. Let's open one, and here you can see product ratings, with pros, cons, and more details. Below, we have a list of products, all from Amazon with price and affiliate link on the view button to buy from. So again on Google, just remember the search query that is physical product review. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 19. The Versus Site Model to Promote Affiliate Offers. In that video, we will take a look at the Versus Site Model to promote affiliate offers, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.